Welcome back. So, in this lesson, we're going to move on from sequences to something called a series. Now, a series, all that is the sum of the terms of a finite arithmetic sequence. So, it's still a complete connection to sequences, but now instead of just listing the terms, a series is when we add those terms together. Now, again, today we're only going to focus on arithmetic and determining those. So, this means a new formula for us. So Sn is going to denote the sum of the first n terms, and that sum is going to be n over 2 times a1 plus an. So the number of terms divided by 2 times the first term plus the last term of this finite series of however many terms we're talking about. Now, to start you off, I've made examples where you have everything that you need. Okay, so this lesson is just practicing how to type this in, how to put this in the formula, and use a calculator to find the answer. So I want you to label out. There's always three things that we need. So, n, the number of terms. Well, here you can just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can physically count that there's 8 terms. The first term is 2. The last term is 51. So again, looking at the formula, I have everything that I need for that formula. So now it's just a matter of writing it in. So my sum is going to be n divided by 2 then 2, my first term, plus my last term. So that gives us 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2 plus 51 is 53. Then, of course, we can just use a calculator really quickly to do 4 times 53. And that's going to give us a sum of 212. And that's going to be our answer. So again, when you're given everything, it's not that difficult to use. It's not that hard of an equation to plug stuff into. It's just making sure that you have the right pieces. So again, let's focus on this next example. So looking at the formula, I need n, I need a1, and I need an. So number of terms, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 terms. My first term is 87. The last term I'm looking at is 111. So I want that sum. So n divided by 2 times the first term plus the last term. Well, 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. 87 plus 111 is 198. Multiply those together, my sum is 693. So again, not difficult when you're given everything, okay? So again, this lesson is just practicing, can you plug things into that formula? So do make sure you have this written down though, and please ask me if you do have any questions.